Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to do a hard refresh in Google Chrome. A hard refresh forces the browser to reload a web page and clear cached files. This can help fix loading or display issues. We will walk you through a few simple ways to do this. Let's get started. In Google Chrome, one way to hard refresh is to click the reload button on the page several times. This will reload the page and clear any cached data. We can also do this by clicking the menu and then selecting Reload. This will reload the page with the latest version. Another way is to press F5 on your keyboard. Pressing F5 will also trigger a hard refresh. That's it. We have successfully performed a hard refresh in Google Chrome. Your web page will now load the most up-to-date version without any cached issues.